Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the power of Unity expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. This one is a multi-currency system that trades a basket of major and cross pairs on the 5-minute time frame. So in this video we are going to look at what the Unity is all about. So ensure you watch until the end to get the full picture and to get the full breakdown. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it, you can get it for free by using the link in the description below. Now, ensure you check it out because it's totally worth it. Now, we are talking about the power of Unity expert advisor. This was developed by Pavel Malishko and he is from Russia. He's quite popular, has about 3.6 star rating out of 5 for 65 reviews. From 65 reviews, has 50 products, 94 topics, and lots of comments. This expert advisor goes for just 75 US dollars and it has an MT4 version, has a MetaTrader 4 version here, but there are differences between the two. There are some slight differences between the two, but for this video we will be focusing on the MetaTrader 5 version to explain how it works, the core and the strategy of the power of Unity. Now, it is designed as a unified multi-pair expert advisor that works across many currency pairs simultaneously from one chart, and it focuses on disciplined trading with built-in news filtering to avoid high impact events, and the system uses smart money management and swap considerations, which is optional no trade on Wednesday for swap pairs, and also it has configurable risk parameters. Now, these are the information that I was able to get, especially from the settings and the inputs of the expert advisor, as most of the strategy and the core workings of the EA is not listed out here by the developer, but they emphasize stability through diversification across pairs like the AUDCAD, Euro USD, AUD CHF, AUD NZD, and so on and so forth. So you have to copy this and paste it in your inputs for the EA to work properly. If you do not paste these pairs in the designated area, let me show you. If you do not paste those pairs here, the EA will not work for you. So you have to paste it here just as they've recommended for it to work for you. Now, as I was saying, the EA is promoted for its ability to generate consistent results with controlled exposure and strong news protection. These are the information from the developer, and also it's recommended for the 5-minute time frame with low starting deposits. They show some information here. They show their live signal, which they've taken down because you can't find it in the page, but this is what they showed from a live account running for 12 weeks, even though it has low reliability, but we are seeing gains of 1416%. We have this one which was running for 42 weeks and we are seeing 218%, even though it got to a high of 961%. All of these are numbers that they preach from their live signals, which is no more live, which they've taken down. But that's all from the developer, and let's talk about the key settings and the key features which the market. We have a broad pair list of diversification, which you must actually put into consideration and write out like this. They have the news block with customizable pause times. They have lot sizing options. They have swap handling. They also have the suffix support for different brokers, and it highlights risk controls and power of trading multiple pairs together for smoother equity growth. Now I use the default settings, which is all of this you're seeing, except these pairs that I copied from the MT5 page and pasted to enable it work. I use the default settings to run my backtest on the Power of Unity Expert Advisor to see what it actually delivers. And we are seeing, actually I backtested it from June 2025 to June 2026 on a $10,000 account, and we are seeing a small profit of just $30, and the profit factor was 2.44, which is impressive. We also have very high win rate, around 83%. On the trade it took, we have only 58 total. The max drawdown was tiny, 0.11 for the balance and 0.20 for the equity, which is very impressive. And the equity curve is nice, steady. We have this nice steady upward trend with only minor dips with excellent recovery at the end of the day. So, but the only drawdown, the only downside to this is that it had low profit, total net profit at the end of the backtest. And also considering the fact that it was quite selective in its trades, taking only 58 trades in the whole of the year. And maybe if you want to fix this up and you are comfortable risking more, then you have to adjust your lot size, which everything here is adjustable. We have the money management also, but it wasn't enabled following defaults. But if you are increasing your risk, then you should also accept the losses that comes with it. But overall, compared to the developer signal showing strong percentage gains and 66% wins, this is much more conservative and realistic for a low risk multi-pair setup. The thing is, settings like the currency pair list, the news block minutes, and the lot size and the swap handling, all of these are what actually matter. You have to set the EA properly for it to work for you. Now, my verdict for this expert advisor is that it is a diversified, news aware, multi pair expert advisor. It's very selective and it prioritizes capital protection over profits. And the nuances will include it has this very low trade frequency and the modest returns with the defaults. But the hidden risks are the broker spread and slippage across many pairs. We are trading so many pairs at once. All of this are being traded at once from the AUDCAD chart on the 5 minute time frame. Now, also there is the potential underperformance if the news filter is too strict and the usual call fitting concerns with multi-pair optimization. It's good for conservative traders who want set and forget diversification on decent accounts, but aggressive traders or those needing regular action should probably just avoid the Power of Unity Expert Advisor and look for something more aggressive or something that has a lot more action in it. Has some comments, it has some good reviews also, and also some bad reviews. But overall, this is our review on the Power of Unity. Profit and drawdowns can differ depending on market conditions and position size or risks that the trader is using. Now, if you want more real expert advisor reviews like this one, smash the like button and hit the subscribe and turn on notifications for more expert advisor reviews like this. Drop in the comments which EA you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description below. It's useful, it has all the indicators and patterns included, so ensure you check it out. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.